Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm here to introduce you a splitter. What is in the package? There are one HDMI splitter, one AC adapter, and one user manual. Here we can see this splitter has 4 output port, 1 input port, and also with indicators. How to share to multi-screen. An HDMI splitter can help you. What is an HDMI splitter? The splitter can display your computer's screen or other devices on multiple monitors. How to install the splitter? Firstly, plug in the power. Then connect the computer to the splitter input port. Lastly, plug in the HDMI cable to the monitors like this. And must be careful about the connection order. Now we have completed the installation. How to use the splitter on different occasions. Here we take 2 media sources, PS5 and Apple TV for example, and other devices are also supported. If you have an Apple TV, you can show it on different monitors. And there are some questions maybe you want to know. If you have any questions else, let us know in the comments below. Thank you and have a good day.